Well, everybody, it's Money Monday, and with how wild the stock market has been lately, the roller coaster of retirement savings has been a big ride for a lot of people. Hang on tight, white knuckles, scream your head off, right? Well, you know our consumer investigator, Danielle Serino, is on the case.
It's actually times like this that push people to take a good look at their investments, which many people put off until they're ready to retire, and that is really too late. But the question is what to do with your money and where to move it. Right now I have with me Woody from Cleveland. And Woody, what's your question?
Well, Danielle, I have a 401k and it's losing a lot of money. I mean, just, you know, every day. And I don't know what to do. Should I hold on to it? Should I drop it off somewhere into an IRA or should I just ride this thing out?
Right. Well, my advice is that you should ride it out because we have seen a lot of bad times in the market.
And we have always rebounded.
But I want you to remember this. Even though your 401k may be down, right now it's down only on paper. And unless you're going to sell it at a loss, you're going to still be okay because it will rebound.
Now, what you do if you really have to do something or want to do something depends on your situation. If you are getting a regular paycheck and you're not panicked about losing your job,
stay the course, keep contributing.
Now, some companies have recently stopped matching contributions to cut down on their expenses, but that doesn't mean you should stop paying in.
Your 401k plan is still your most powerful retirement tool. And so if your cash flow allows you to continue to save in that plan because you're not concerned about losing your job, for example, and you don't need to build up that emergency fund, then keeping those contributions going pays off in the long term.
If you're nearing retirement, though, think about moving more of your money into something stable, like, let's say, a money market, because that'll give you a little bit more security than you would get with traditional stocks.
I've been doing this.
Yeah, you know what, Betsy? You're young. You're a young lady. Don't look. Don't look at it. You don't need it for a long time. Let it ride this thing out. Actually, you know the deal. You want to buy low.
Right.
And you want to sell high. Well,
theoretically,
when the market was down, and it's no longer down, but when it was down, Dow in the 18,000 range, that's when you want to flood money in because everything's cheaper. It's low. Since that time, the Dow has gained about 7,000 points. It's actually had the most growth in the last 4 months that it's ever had in any time. So now it seems like the growth is back up here, but ride it out. Unless you're really close to needing it, I think you're fine. I think you're fine.
or more importantly, talk to your financial advisor and ask
Please,
them because
please, yes.